Hi, this is Randy Wimmer, and I'd like to invite you to my upcoming webinar where I'm going to be sharing a ton of industry insider tips. How do you place your company in the top 1% of your competition? When you're a small business, it's all about risk. So how do we overcome that obstacle and stand head and shoulders over 99% of our peers? By demonstrating that we are a mature small business, by validating our corporate maturity. We do that through getting ISO 9001 certification. ISO certification is like getting a college degree for your company. So if you don't have vast corporate experience and past performances to prove that you can deliver, you need to have a corporate credential that validates your use of globally accepted industry best practices, that you have a formal risk management program, that you have a formal customer service and satisfaction program. These are the things that your customers need to see to bring you on their teams. I'll see you there, and where we're going to be discussing a lot of these tips.